Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Audubon Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid XLE. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its power moonroof. You also have your heated front seats and heated steering wheel. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid XLE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 17-inch wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And taking a look just on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just looking if there is another vehicle right beside you. And then taking a closer look just at the second row here, as you can see, you have 3 additional seats in the second row. Third row, I'll show you a little bit later on in the video here. Second row windows, you're going to have the sunshade visors just so you can block out some of that sun. And then with the redesign, you do have this handle that basically goes from the top to the bottom to make getting into the vehicle a little bit more accessible. And then down below that, you'll find the close button for the power sliding rear door. All you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now, as you can see, it does have the jam protection feature, so in the event that the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll stop from closing. Now, if you want to actually close it from the outside, you just use the handle just by pulling on once. The other nice thing is that you actually have the kick assist feature as well, so if you just kick underneath where that little emblem is, it'll actually close the doors for you automatically. Now this works in conjunction with the smart key system, so you want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. Now, taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your gray interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, along with your gas cap release. And then if you take a look on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, Bluetooth connectivity, volume control, voice recognition, as well as the lane departure alert, cruise control, mode select, and seek function. Now, it does offer the push button start, so all you have to do is push foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we actually take a closer look, you'll be able to see your digital speedometer with the distance to empty. You have your fuel economy on here. You can also go through and take a look at the lane departure alert, audio, trip info, energy monitor, and then you'll also find the settings menu of the lane trace assist, along with your pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features as well. You'll finish with your messages menu, and then if you take a closer look now at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So inside the menu screen, you'll find your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, with the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Sirius XM satellite radio. As you can see, you also have the dual zone climate control settings with your rear temperature controls located down below. Heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger, and as you can see, you have a little shelf that's located down below there that goes from basically the driver's side to the passenger side, where you can place smaller items, and then you also have the USB located on there as well. Now it's mounted to an automatic transmission, and as you can see, you have your drive mode with your EV mode as well. The nice thing is with this redesign, you have a nice area where you can actually place your arm for an armrest. And not only that, usually in the previous gen models you'd have this all actually open space, but even with this here you still have some space to actually store some items just underneath with a power outlet as well. Now if you take a look up top, you have the auto dimming rear view mirror, and then you'll find the open and closed for the power sliding rear doors and power liftgate with SOS Connect. And taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release located just underneath. Now closed again on the rear cargo space. As you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the rear seat, so in the event that you need the additional space, it is available to you. Now, if you need the seats folded down or folded up, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there. You have some additional cargo space located on the side here, but this is also where you can actually store that middle seat from the second row. So if you aren't actually using it, you can just have it stored in the left-hand side of the rear cargo storage space. Now, the other nice thing is that you do have the power adjustable tailgate, so if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds like you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. However, if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for more than 4 seconds, it'll beep several times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. Now, the nice thing is that you actually have the kick assist feature as well for the power liftgate. So if you just kick underneath the rear tailgate, or I should say the bumper, it'll close for you automatically. Now, like with the power sliding rear doors, this works in conjunction with the smart key system, so you want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times. So say for instance you have the key fob on you, inside the vehicle rather than on your person. When you try to actually use the feature, it won't actually work. You want to make sure you have the key fob on you when you're trying to utilize this feature to its fullest. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.